The Fat Controller will hear about this one. You'll be in big trouble, Diesel. Wait, what are you doing? No. Ow! Ah! That's a lesson for you. Okay. I'll just sit here and act innocently. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Oh wait, I heard a loud crash. Was that you? Said the old manager. No, it was Gordon. Yeah, that's it. Gordon, he smashed the flying kipper vans because they smelt really badly, you see. Is that right? So Tom Hat will hear about this one. And he did. Later that day, when Gordon came into the station, everybody was looking at him. Gordon, why did you smash the flying kipper vans for Henry? You know him how much he likes that train. What, sir? I don't know what you're talking about. I was pulling the express all day. I don't understand. Silence from you. You caused an accident in the yard, and Henry now has to suffer the cost. You should be ashamed of yourself, Gordon. Sir, I don't know what you're talking about. I was pulling the express all day. Silence from you! You are lying to me, and I know it! No, I'm not, sir. I can tell you that is a fact. Everybody went silent. Sir, in all due respect, now that I think about it, I don't think Gordon would really do that. That would be more characteristic of, me, maybe. So Topham Hatt began to see the situation. Wait, yard manager, who told you about the accident? Did you see it? No, it was Diesel. He told me that Gordon had done it. What? You don't think you don't think that he would actually do that? No, he's so polite. I don't know. He's a Diesel. We can't really trust him. I'm telling you, sir. Diesel told me. It sounded so convincing. Yes, I suppose it would. Actually, sir, we have to tell you something. It was actually Diesel. He threatened to bash our buffers in if we told the truth. So we didn't for a while. Sorry, sir. Sir Topham Hatt was mad. Sir, please don't punish. You won't be punished. But one engine will be severely. The engines were sitting in the shed, talking about the situation, when Sir Topham Hatt came up. I have news. Diesel is the one who did the accident. What? Diesel was coming back from Vickerstown later that day. He passed through the station with everyone looking at him. And when he came to the sheds, he decided to turn around and get in. Keep out! What did I do? Oh, we know what you did. You framed Gordon. What? I didn't. I swear. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. I swear. I don't know what you're talking about. I swear I didn't. I don't know what. How? Who told you? The trucks were honest and told me the truth. Diesel, get off my railway now. What? Oh, this isn't the end of me. You'll see me again in the future. You will. You'll pay for this. Oh. The stupid little engines. Oh, cool, little accident there. That evening, when all the engines were back at the sheds, the Fat Controller had to tell them something. I have some bad news. Duck has had an accident in Vickerstown, and he'll be away for a few months. We all believed in Diesel and didn't bother to look at Duck. And now he's gone for a long time, and we won't see him again.